Okay, so since we have done with our backend part, we need to go to our Xcode project and implement this function in our app. Okay, we're going to our Xcode project, open the Xcode. And if you remember from my another course where we learned a PHP and Swift, these two languages, how to work with them together, I was explaining about the type of the information which we can send to the server. It can be a text, it can be a PDF, it can be a JPEG, and different types of information. So for every single type of information, we must declare a MIME type. If you want to know more about the MIME type, you can just write MIME type, and I just get some basic information, what is that and how it works. Okay, in our case, I'll just go and I will create a body for the MIME type. What does it mean to create a body for the MIME type? When we go to login view controller, in order to send the information to the server, we used to declare a body where we, as email, we pass the email text fields text and a password, and to pass a password to the server, we used to insert password text fields text. So the same type, if say exactly in the same way, if we want to send the image, we need to pass image to our server, but without the string. Okay, so it doesn't work like the string type of information. Okay, for that purpose, we'll have to create some special separate body for this. And I'm going to declare this body function in the helper.swift. I'll name the function as it is, body, func body with parameters, which will be of type string colon any, and put here question mark, comma, file name, which can be of type string, comma, then file path key, which will be of type string, question mark, comma, image data key, which will be of type data, and the last one will be boundary of type string, closing the round bracket, then we make arrow and we're returning in as data, opening close curly brackets. Okay, so this function, which will it will be some special body, not like the body in the login view controller where we can pass only a string or integer type of variables. In this case, as a parameters, we'll be able to pass the strings or integers, a boolean, anything. File name will be the name of the file, cover, ever, anything. Path key will be the path to this. For example, it will be stored under ever, or it will be stored under cover, etc. Image data key, it's very important. Data key means the data itself which we're gonna pass. So it is the image file itself. And a boundary will be a special MIME type boundary. That's why I told you to read about MIME type in general in Google. You can find it. Okay, so this is a MIME for the image. So this is a MIME in order to upload images to the server. So here you must be very careful because this code might not be clear for you because it's totally related to the web development and working with the servers. Okay, we will first declare a constant let body equals to ns mutable data, opening close round bracket, and then we continue if parameters are not nil, open curly brackets, then for each of the parameter we want to declare our boundary. Okay, so we write for in the round brackets key, comma, value in parameters, again open curly brackets, here don't forget to put exclamation mark after parameters, and here we write body dot append data then again in the round brackets and in quotation marks we write dash dash left slash, and we're opening the round brackets in order to make a reference to our boundary. Then we're coming out one time from the round bracket, we place one left dash or slash r, then again left slash n. And here we're coming out of the quotation marks, we write UTF-8. Very good. So we will keep going. Then again, body.append data, then open and close round brackets. In these round brackets, open quotation marks and write in these quotation marks content dash disposition colon form dash data semicolon, then name equals left slash, and again quotation marks, and again left slash. In the round brackets we make a reference to the key. Then we're closing the round brackets, we're putting one left slash, and closing the quotation marks, and again quotation marks, and here between last and pre-last quotation marks we write left slash r left slash n, and again left slash r left slash n. And here coming out of the old quotation marks we write UTF-8. Very good. So we keep going. Body.append data, open and close round brackets, then open and close quotation marks. Inside the quotation marks make a reference to the value, left slash, and the round brackets value, and we write left slash r left slash n. So we're coming out of the quotation marks, we write dot UTF-8. Very good. So then we are roughly saying, guys, for every single parameter, let's say, because here we are mixing the images, strings, IDs, emails, whatever we're gonna send to the database, we're mixing this. So in order to separate them and to clearly declare a type of every single parameter, we are writing the boundary. We're writing the boundary for each of the one, where it will write a description for every single parameter. If it is email, it will automatically generate the string type of boundary, and MIME type. If it's a file like image, it will generate a certain description of this type. Okay. Then we're declaring now MIME type. MIME type will be for the image / JPEG. Okay, if you have seen my another course, PHP and Swift, so you're familiar with this type of MIMEs. Okay, we will continue. Body.append data in the round brackets, and then in quotation marks we write dash dash left slash, and in the round brackets, because this time we make a reference to the boundary, then again left slash r left slash n. Coming out of the quotation marks we write .utf-8. Very good. So the next line, body.append in the round brackets data, again we're opening the round brackets, and in quotation marks we write content dash disposition colon form dash data semicolon space name equals left slash quotation marks, again left slash. In the round brackets we make a reference to the file path key, and the exclamation mark. Coming out of the round brackets we put left slash, coming out of the quotation marks we put colon, then we write file name equals to left slash quotation marks, again left slash. In the round brackets we write file name. Coming out of the round brackets once, then we make again left slash, Then we close the quotation marks. Then we put again left/r/n and closing quotation marks. So be very careful. This is how your code must look like. Okay, I think it shows some error. Let's go through again. So it's content dash disposition colon space form dash data semicolon, then name left slash, then in quotation marks we're opening this again left slash reference to file path key exclamation mark coming out of the round bracket, then left slash quotation marks, then we got a semicolon, then space file name equals left slash quotation marks left slash and in the round brackets file name, then again left slash closing the round quotation marks, then again left slash r left slash n, and here .utf8. Excellent. So we're keep going and we write body dot append data in the round brackets and in quotation marks we will write content dash type colon, and we'll make a reference to our MIME type, which is image JPEG. And here we make left slash r left slash n, and again left slash r left slash n, and here .utf8. And we're going to the next one, body dot append image data key. Then we're going body append data in the round brackets and in quotation marks we write left slash r left slash n and .utf8 string. Very good. And the last line of our body dot append data in the round brackets and in quotation marks we'll write dash dash left slash, we're making reference to our boundary, then again dash dash left slash r left slash n, coming out of the quotation marks we'll write utf8. Okay, and finally we want to return this data. Return body. Okay, so this is a MIME type which we have declared for the image. Let me just guide you through. This is MIME type for parameters. It will be something like ID, let's say 777, then name like Michael, etc. And that one is MIME type for image. Okay, so this is how we separate our string or integer or boolean type of variables which we'll be sending to the image to the server, and this is how we declare the body for the images to be uploaded to the server. So this is, guys, it's directly related to web development and to web programming. So you can read about MIME types in the internet and this code will get clear for you. To say you in a few words, every single information which we send to the server, it must have a description. So by writing these codes, we're writing the description of every parameter we're sending to. Okay guys, so this was the body we wrote for our parameters uploading to the server. Now let's go and upload the image to the server.